Hi guys, that's Rodion Underworld, and today I'm going to show you the city of Arkhangelsk. That is the city located in the north of Russia. Basically it's already an Arctic. I will show you the historical places, the local cuisine and other interesting things. And before we move forward, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and to my Telegram channel. I post the content every day on my Telegram channel as well as here. Here you can see shorts every day. Alright, let's begin. After going out from the hotel, I have walked in the center of Arkhangelsk, and definitely it was time to have a lunch. After visiting the cafe in the center of Arkhangelsk, which was definitely amazing, I decided to visit some places that is famous among the locals. And I decided to choose the cafe which is called Большая Кастрюля, which can be translated as the big pot. I went there to buy some specific products, but unfortunately they were out of stock. Therefore, I decided to eat the red fish with cabbage and the baked fish and potato. After having an amazing lunch, I decided to continue the cultural program and have visited the house of Plotnikova. This house actually represents the museum and the art gallery that is dedicated to the emperors of Russia and the lifestyle of Russian Empire. The art gallery includes the pictures of famous Russian artists such as Ayvazovsky, Vrubil and Shishkin, and others. I enjoyed much more visiting such a historical building rather than reviewing the pictures there. However, if you are really a fan of art, I would strongly recommend you to visit this place. Then I have visited the museum that was located nearby. The name of the museum is the Museum of the Exploration of Arctic. Of course, I had to visit the local churches and temples, and I have decided to visit Solovetsky Podvorye, that is located nearby the embankment of Northern Двина. It was very interesting that all the pictures inside the temple was painted during the Soviet time, only after 1991, after the collapse of Soviet Union. Some parts of the images were restored. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press like. If you don't like this video, press like. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to the Telegram channel. The content is posted on both platforms on a daily basis. Thanks for watching. It was Rodion Underworld. Bye.